how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in USA. So simply for that, go to your default browser and search for Amazon apply warehouse jobs USA. If you search for USA concurrently, then you'll be able to see a link that will appear like this that reads Amazon warehouse jobs near you. So you want to go to that website. It's pretty a global site, so go to search website near you, I consent, and then you can simply go ahead and sign in for your job alerts. Also, you can allow the cookies according to your wish, so you can simply go ahead and press on warehouse job alerts. You'll have to cancel this, and then here you can see search warehouse jobs near you. Simply press on that option. Here you will be requiring to search for jobs, enter the zip code of your city and enter the zip code or city according to your wish. So here there are 99 supports that supports English. You can simply scroll down and find different jobs. You can go to job opportunities and see for warehouse jobs according to your wish, according to the company, other roles, customer service roles, unique opportunities also you can find there. If you want to go ahead and go to any of the jobs, simply press on any of the job you want, and then here after you scroll down you'll have to select work shift like according to your wish. So that's your payment method as well. You can see here, you can see the work address, your job interview, you can see different things, and then you'll simply have to select the work shift and then you're good to go, and then simply press on apply. So once you press on apply, so you'll be directed to Amazon jobs. Here you'll be requiring to follow the prompts, put all your necessary documents, upload them, contact them, and then you're good to go. You might require to do an interview, so that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.